Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will cover our second part of lecture, that is exploratory factor analysis, lecture number 2. In last lecture we have conducted factor analysis test, and we have some kind of issues. So for identifying issues, it is my practice. You can identify from here also, but you will forget later on. So that's why I usually copy this sheet and paste into MS Word. I copy and paste particular that sheet. Let us suppose like this. Copy like this and paste it into the Excel. My mistake, in MS Word. We are going to open a blank sheet. So let's wait a minute. So I'm going to paste it here, and I am going to highlight what are the issues. This is what AATD4 is making cross-loading. I have highlighted this. PEU1 and 2, they are making problem. They are also in the factor of PP, perceived price, perceived ease of use. 1 and 2 variable are disturbing or cross-loading with another variable. PU is perfectly on its factor number 3. FC facilitating conditions are perfectly on factor number 4. Perceived ease of use are 3 items are also on it. This, so we have issue of 3 items. So what theory suggests? If there is a cross loading, you must remove these factors. Why cross loading? Means question number 4 also is also representing the perceived price. This question is related with also factor perceived price, and perceived ease of use, question number 1 and question number 2 are also related with the perceived price. So how you need to deal with it? You will simply go to the factor analysis, and why I highlighted, because you will remember right now. AATD4. So AATD4 I will exclude from my data analysis, and PEU 1 and 2. PEU 1 and 2, I excluded that, and I have run again analysis, and I am going to analyze. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have excluded, and 5 they are on factor, and there's no cross-loading on 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. Then PEU 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's no cross-loading in 4. FC facilitating condition has 3 items, and there's no cross-loading. PU has we excluded 2 items which were cross-loading with the PP, and we have excluded, and right now there is no any cross-loading in this, and perceived price is also right now. So you have got your final factor, perfect factors that represent each construct by itself. Means these are your questions, and they represent these same constructs. The issue making items have been removed from the data set. So how you interpret, or okay, let me see how I have covered. Then we will see the reliability and validity, and then the correlation. But till now I will teach you one thing more. So how you interpret this thing, how you interpret that what is this. And so basically you wanted to run some sort of analysis, and before that you wanted to confirm either you made some sort of changes due to culture, language, and like that, and you or you have developed your scale, and you wanted to see that which are the constructs and which are the questions that represent each other, and how is the structure. So for that you have conducted analysis, and you have been able to like this. Right now each question is separate. Okay, each question is separate, but to see the overall effect, you need to multiply them and you need to make them one variable. If I am saying customer satisfaction has 5 questions, so 5 questions, each question can measure separately. How, if you are going to see customer satisfaction effect with the customer loyalty, so you need to multiply them, multiply their results and make them one variable. And with the, if you want to see with the customer loyalty, so customer loyalty has 3 variables, so you will multiply with them, you will make them one variable. Making them one variable, that is said to be as the summated scale process. Summated scale process, how you will make a new scale or integrated one. So you will go to the transform, then compute, and then if, let's say suppose I am saying FC, facilitating condition, or facilitating COND, let's say suppose I'm going this name, and I am going to statistics, and the statistics within I am going to click on the mean. I will double click, so this first question will come. So I will double click on the facilitating, you can see that here it has come. Then I will press a comma, then I will double click on second variable. I have double click on second variable, then I will give comma, then I will give another variable. So these are 3 variables only in facilitating conditions. I will remove back comma with the delete button. Once again I will press the delete button. I have pressed delete button. Now FC1 comma, FC2 comma, FC3 comma. So when I will press OK button, so I have already told you that in variable it is new variable has been created. This is what new variable has been created, and it represent, you can see the whole mean is coming of all these questions. So what this mean, FC 1 2 3, these 3 questions, 1 2 3 questions, these 3 questions are separate, and we have made their variable 1 facilitating condition. So like that you will create all variables or summated scales of each and every variables after your factor analysis, and you will not include these let's suppose AATD1 and PEU1 when you are going to calculate PU. Okay, I'm going to have practice with you guys related with the PEU. Perceive is up, use. Okay, I'm going to so I'm going to, yeah, or you can press the reset button. My mistake. PEU, you will click on statistics, you will click on mean, double click, and you can see PEU1 we will not include it. That's why I am going forward. 2 we also excluded because it had cross it has cross loading with another variable. So 3, my mistake, comma, PEU1 3, then comma, 4, then comma, and then 5, and we will delete previous remaining commas. Okay, then we will press OK button. This is what we have calculated the summated scale, and you can see also from your variable view that another variable has been created, and you can see from here. So till now, thank you, Allah Hafiz.